Hello everyone, thank you for joining. It begins with our first Xperia smartphone with 5G. This is the flagship Xperia 1 Mark II. Xperia 1 Mark II. This is built for speed. Our new flagship will feature outstanding twice optics with T-star coating for optimal shots. The Xperia 1 Mark II will feature an advanced triple lens camera with Sony 3D ITOF sensor for ultra-fast, low-light autofocus. It is the world's first 20 frames per second autofocus and auto exposure tracking burst in a smartphone for capturing the decisive moment in your everyday lives. What's special about this is with 20 frames per second, it calculates the object 3 times per frame. That's 60 times per second. We are also bringing enhanced speed and accuracy with real-time eye autofocus for Xperia. Real-time eye autofocus is not only for photographing people, but also for capturing animals, so you can capture the perfect shots of your beloved pets. For the last 10 years, we have been the global leader in growing industry of mirrorless camera market. And we are excited to bring our award-winning alpha technologies to our Xperia. Who better to share a bit more about the power of imaging than professional photographer?
As a working photojournalist for over 40 years now, I've come to trust Sony for its extremely accurate autofocus, its high frame rate captures. I also use a smartphone for capturing those personal, spontaneous moments in everyday life. But unlike cameras, pretty much all the smartphones I've ever tried didn't have the technologies that I wanted. What I really liked about shooting with this was its nice optics, 12 megapixel sensor, and the perfect balance between quality and speed.
You can capture photos in an online user interface between Alpha and Xperia. We have worked closely with creators like Nick on our Cinematography Pro. Features such as touch autofocus and custom white balance will help visual storytellers control the camera more easily. Our flagship Xperia comes with a 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED in 21:9 cinema-wide display with motion blur reduction technology. For audio, you can enjoy your favorite movies or tune either through 3.5mm audio jack or built-in front true stereo speakers. We have further enhanced Dolby Atmos tuned in collaboration with Sony Pictures Entertainment. For music lovers, Xperia's acoustic performance is tuned in collaboration with sound engineers from Sony Music Entertainment. And I'm thrilled to share another exciting news. For this devoted fan, we are offering our unique 21:9 mobile gaming experience combined with direct connection to PlayStation 4's DualShock 4 wireless controller. Xperia 1 Mark II is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 mobile platform with multi-gigabit 5G connectivity and elite gaming. And Performance is further enhanced with a large capacity battery and Qi wireless charging. Xperia 1 Mark II will be available in a choice of 3 beautiful colors and will start shipping from spring onward. We are enthusiastic about bringing Xperia to the professional field in 5G millimeter wave. We have proved that 5G connected cameras can be a reliable option for future live sports broadcast with Xperia's 5G uplink capability. We are excited to give you a sneak preview of Xperia with 5G millimeter wave technology. This is Xperia Pro. Xperia Pro is Sony's innovative solution for professionals. The model features 360-degree antenna coverage made possible through a unique 4-way antenna arrangement. The device features micro HDMI interface for direct input from virtually any camera, such as Sony's digital imaging devices. In addition to these 2 5G flagship models, we will offer the water-resistant Xperia 10 Mark II in the mid-range. It features a 6-inch Full HD OLED with triple lens camera in 4 colors and will start shipping from spring onward. Thank you for joining us. We are thrilled to deliver these exciting products to you.